Hi and welcome to this Interactive Brokers tutorial, in which we'll explain how to open an Interactive Brokers demo account. I'll guide you through the step-by-step process using my referral link. By using this link, you'll have access to a demo account with Interactive Brokers to practice trading without using real money, and you can earn up to $1,000 of Interactive Brokers stock. Firstly, let's understand what a demo account with Interactive Brokers offers. It's a simulated trading environment where you can practice trading with virtual funds. It's a fantastic way to get familiar with the platform's features, test strategies, and gain confidence in your skills without risking any real capital. It works with real stock data and is almost a perfect simulation. Almost, because orders are getting filled better in the simulation environment compared to real life. To get started, click on the referral link provided in the video description below. This link will take you to the Interactive Brokers account sign-up page. Once on the sign-up page, you'll need to fill in some basic information, such as your name, email address, a password, and country of residence. Make sure to enter accurate details to ensure a smooth registration process and click on Create Account. Next, Interactive Brokers follows a verification process to maintain security standards. You need to verify your email through a confirmation process. Confirm your email and go back to your browser. You can close this screen and continue in the other screen with the verification process. Select the Interactive Brokers Pro option, which is perfect for day or swing trading, and click Start Application. However, now you first need to complete some more information. Take your time to go through the steps you see on top of the screen: about you, regulatory, account setup, and status. After having completed this, you can go to the Interactive Brokers login page. However, we don't want to log in into the web environment. We want to get access to the Interactive Brokers Trader Workstation, or in short, TWS. Therefore, click on the button below, Download Desktop TWS. This will take you to this page on which you can choose the software version you want. I advise you to select the latest. Click and then choose Download. Once the software is downloaded, open the application file to run and install it. It's a very straightforward process. Once installed, you can access the Interactive Brokers Trader Workstation from your desktop and start paper trading. Make sure you select paper trading in the top right corner to access the paper trading account. Once logged in, take some time to explore the platform. Get confident with the layout, tools, charts, and features available. Interactive Brokers offers an extensive platform, so getting comfortable with it is essential before starting to trade with real money. Don't hesitate to look at our other tutorials to learn more about the Interactive Brokers Trader Workstation. Okay, that's it. Don't forget to check the other tutorials and good luck trading. Bye!